Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm really excited because I got this meditation pillow from PineTales because I loved their Buckwheat Hull pillow that I got so much that I had to get some more items from them. So let me tell you some things about this pillow, and then afterwards I will insert some clips of how I've been using it. This is what it looks like up close. It has this really nice cottony canvas material on the outside, which I really like because it feels super durable. And it has their little PineTales tag on it right there. Has this super awesome carrying strap, which the pillow itself does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not super heavy, and I really like it because the stitching and everything around the handle seems really quality. Like you're gonna be able to use this for a while. And I also like the handle because it gives you the ability to make it easily portable, so you're not having to like carry it like this or like under your arm, or you know what I mean. So you can carry this one by the carrying handle and then have your yoga mat under your arm, or just anything like that. This is super easy if you want to take it to, say, like your favorite park or anything like that to go meditate in. This carrying handle makes it super easy. You know, I can just carry it out to my car, put it on the seat, and I'm good to go. And then it does have this really high quality looking zipper. And what's really cool is you can take this cover off. So if you want to, if you want or need to wash it, the cover does come off, as you can see. And then this inside, this is actually really soft. This inside cover is still, really nice, really soft. And it also has a zipper. It also has a zipper on it to be able to get into where the buckwheat hulls are. So you can open that up if you want to take some out, add some, whatever you want to do there. They do have two different sizes to this meditation pillow. There's a high profile one and a low profile one. And then they also have two different types. They have this one, which is the traditional one. And then they also have a premium meditation pillow, which it's like a cool two-tone color. And I think that one has, instead of the canvas, it does have like a suede velvety type of cover on it, which is pretty cool. However, I'm not like a huge fan of things like that, only because I do have children and I do have animals, and some suede things or velvet, they're kind of a pain for me to try to clean. I really do like this cotton canvas one because it's really nice, and then you can zip it back up. And this is cool too because you can get in there, and if you want to, you can add some essential oils to it if you want to. My favorites are lavender. Like, lavender is my go-to. Some of the things that you can use this for besides meditation is you can just use it to sit on the floor with, which is what I have also done with it, because I don't like, we're actually getting rid of our couch because I don't like sitting on our couch. But I really enjoy sitting on this when I'm sitting on the floor because it helps with my posture, I've noticed. Whereas like sitting on our couch, I feel like I'm just like sinking into the couch, and I don't like that feeling. So I've been sitting on this when I'm like out in our living room, or if I'm reading, anything like that, I'll be sitting on this because it really helps me with my posture. And in some of my videos, like in some of my more recent videos, I was actually sitting on this in front of my couch while I was filming. And it's really comfortable. I really like the Buckwheat Hull versus like some other meditation pillows that I have tried that just have like a cotton kind of filling, or even a memory foam type filling. I like this way more because you can adjust the density of it. And it's just really nice. It gives you a nice firm kind of place to sit while still being comfortable. And I do like that it is made in the US with organically you know, harvested buckwheat hulls, which I think is awesome. Now that I've kind of showed you the pillow in person, I will insert some clips of me using the pillow. I hope you enjoyed this video of my review of the meditation pillow from PineTales. This thing is super awesome and I love it. Honestly, cannot wait to get more products from them because I've been happy with what I've gotten so far. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and be sure to check the description box for all types of links, including the link to get your own meditation pillow if you would want one. Bye guys.